Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 9th, 2015. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a good day today. For some reason, I'm feeling a little let down. It's like it's anticlimactic to get out of this Weight Watchers trade after, all the excitement on Friday over that. Hey, we ended up closing out $18,000 because of that huge trade. And of course, closing out $18,000 is great. Additionally, surprising enough, we're carrying over $5,000 in positive open trade going into tomorrow. And the Dow sold off today. It was down over 200 points for a good part of the day. It did come back at the end. Of course, that doesn't surprise me because this is a bull market. The final tally on the Dow was down 179 points. Now, this is an indication of a bull market. When we can make a lot of money on the day that the Dow goes down 200 points, even if it comes back a little at the end, hey, that's great because we make money because we make money when it goes up. We make or lose less when it goes down, but we don't lose anything. Instead, we make money when it's going down. That's the best of both worlds, because as you can see, this thing is just kind of winding up to come back up, and we should make even more money as it comes back up and recovers these losses that we saw today. So I'm really encouraged by this action. It just is really, really good. I'll show you just a couple of the trades today. The best thing that we got into was ISIS Pharmaceuticals, and this was kind of a strange kind of trade because we had bought this on Friday and then we were stopped out on it this morning with about $1,000 loss. It wasn't a big loss, but still was a loss. And then the thing, we basically stopped out on a low tick a day, which I hate to see happen. Well, no, not really. I'm not. The open down here, that opening range was the low tick. But I mean, after the opening range, we got the low tick, and then the thing takes off. We get back into it right here at about the third hour or so, and it just screams past us. We're holding over $4,000 in ISIS Pharmaceuticals. So this is just looks like a great trade now. It's closing near its high and everything else. Really looks great. So this was actually the biggest trade we got into today. But we got into a bunch of other stuff. I mean, it was all nothing big, but everything was positive. The only fly in the ointment was Callon Petroleum, and that sucker was kind of just slightly negative all day, and then it went down really hard in the aftermarket. I don't know if there was earnings report or something came out. When I say down hard, I don't, not a disaster, but it kind of sucked a lot of our open trade profits. At least that's the way it looks right now. We'll just have to wait to see tomorrow. Anyway, without leaving this, I got to show you this one last time. This just beautiful, beautiful trade. This is Weight Watchers International, and we had, let me tighten that up a little. Okay, we had bought that on Thursday on this little pop. It was just basically high tick of the day kind of buy, and then it jumps on Friday just massively. Jumps even more in the aftermarket on Friday. It came back a little for our exit, unfortunately, but we still took over $18,000 in profits in Weight Watchers International, and I'm pretty sure this is the biggest trade of 2015. So just fabulous. Very happy with that, and as I say, factor this into the day, we had a great day. So that's the way it went on Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.